Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. It is contended by learned counsel for the petitioner that president of the committee can be elected only through direct election by voting of general public of the area and not by the ward members. Stop. Reference in this regard is made to subsection 2 of section 9 of the Haryana Municipal Act 1973 bracket start for short the Act of 1973 bracket close stop. Further contended that as per subsection 2 of section 18A, before conducting the election of the vice president, it is imperative that firstly the president should be elected and then only a meeting would be convened consisting of the president along with other ward members at 48 hours notice for conducting the election of vice president. Stop. On the other hand, learned state council raised a preliminary objection regarding the maintainability of the writ petition in view of the provisions of Article 243 of the Constitution as well as Section 275 of the Act of 1973. Stop. Also submitted that the election tribunal constituted in terms of clause within bracket B of section 275 is duly functioning within district Mahendragarh, thus an effective and alternative remedy of election petition is available. Stop. Further, it is submitted that the president is to be elected by the ward members and not by the voters of the territorial area of the committee. Stop. He has also submitted that there is no bar for conducting the election for the post of vice president simultaneously with the president in view of the facts and circumstances of the present case, as president of the committee could not be elected despite various meetings for the last 2 years. Stop. Paper book reveals that election for the members of the committee was held in the year 2018 and 11 members were elected for constitution of the committee apart from the nominated members. Stop. On 14/6/2018, first meeting of the committee was convened for the election of president and vice president. Thereafter, till 12/1/2019, 8 meetings were held, but neither president nor vice president could be elected up till now. Stop. Still further, para 5 of the petition clearly reveals that petitioner is claiming that he is resident of Ateli and wishes to elect the president of the committee by way of direct election, but there is no material on record to indicate that he is even a registered voter for the territorial area of the committee. Stop. Over.